Hey there, engineers! Today, I'm diving into the nitty-gritty of choosing the right steel grit for blasting. Whether you're dealing with rust, paint, or just prepping a surface, the right grit can make all the difference. First up, let's talk desired surface profile or roughness. For a smoother finish and less aggressive profile, go with GP. Need a moderate, consistent profile? GL is your best bet. But if you want a deep, aggressive, etched profile, GH is the way to go. Next, the material being blasted and the type of contaminants matter. If you're working with soft metals or thin gauge materials, stick with GP to avoid warping. For heavy rust, thick mill scale, or tough coatings, GH will give you the cutting power you need. For general rust, paint, and scale, GL strikes a good balance. Your blasting equipment also plays a role. In wheel blast machines, GP and GL are usually preferred due to less wear on internal parts. Though GH can be used, it's less common and wear protection is crucial. In air blast systems, all three types work, but GH shines by leveraging its aggressive cut without as much wear concern. When it comes to cleaning speed and efficiency, GH is the fastest for tough jobs. GL offers a solid balance for general work, while GP is slower, but gentler. Now let's consider abrasive consumption and cost. Surprisingly, harder grits like GH and GL often last longer and resist fracturing, leading to lower consumption. GP can also be durable by rounding off into a peening shot. Balancing abrasive life with equipment wear costs GP is gentler on your machinery. So what are the practical steps? Define your target surface. Consider the substrate's delicacy, match with your equipment, and don't shy away from trial and error. Consulting manufacturers can also give you tailored advice. By evaluating these factors, you'll choose the right steel grit hardness for your blasting process. Thanks for watching and happy blasting!